guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So really quick, I wanted to make this video. I am like super tired, but I wanted to make it while I was thinking about it. We had a super long day today. My baby's about to go back to school, so we had to do, grab some school supplies, grab some for school uniforms and some last minute little trinkets and hoodies and things like that. And and what is with this spray ground? So I'm so not hip, but it's everybody, all her friends, every single last one of them have a spray ground. I mean, they're cute and stuff, but I guess that's just the hotness right now. But anyways, that's a whole nother thing. But so anyways, we went and got her, last minute stuff. And I was thinking, I'm like, okay, how are we gonna, because right now her schedule's all over the place. She's like a vampire. She sleeps all day long because she's up all night. And it's, her crew, it's all of them are just up all night and then they sleep all day. So we're, slowly getting her back on schedule for that. But I'm like, all right, we got to stick to a schedule throughout the day. So everyone's not all over the place, or we're not going back and forth about, no, I want to do this, I want to do that. No. So this is what it's going to be. I like acronyms. So I just was like, oh, those 4 things spelled show. So show is what we're going to remember, right? So the first thing, what I like to do is have a snack for her. And I know that she's old enough to make her own snack, because I know people are like, oh my gosh, she can make her own food. But I feel like I have better control over what she's eating if I go ahead and make the snack. And I know one of her favorite things is an omelet. So I like to have an omelet ready for her with the spinach and cheese, or the peppers and onions and cheese. Just, I know she's getting her, her protein and her veggies and stuff like that. So, and it makes me, I don't know, I like being able to just make stuff for her, right? The next thing, H, homework. You have to get your homework done before anything else. After you have your snack, go right to your homework, get that done. But the crazy thing, this past year, they didn't give homework. I think she might have had homework once. And me and my husband are like, what the hell kind of school is this? How come they never, ever, ever have homework? But I guess they made them do their homework, during class, they do stuff together or whatever. But I'm like, that's whack. So what we ended up doing is, I go to her little schedule and see what they're going over in school and what they're learning. And I would print out stuff for her, and she would hate that. She's like, oh, I don't have homework. And I'm like, no, I'm giving you homework. So, just to print out some stuff for her to do, have her do some reading and do some math, whatever, to fill up that time and fill up that hour. After her homework was done, then she can go outside and play. She can go and, hang with her crew or whatever they do, go to the park or, ride their scooters and all that. Like I said, just this past year, I just got comfortable with letting her go without me. Before, I was always tagging along, or I'd be at the park walking and I'm like, stay here, baby, where I can see you. But it's she's older now, and it's so many girls, she has such a big crew, as long as they're sticking together, I'm cool with them, being outside and all that stuff. And then after she's done being outside, W, wind down, come back in here, wind down, relax, tell us about your day, tell us about, all the funny stories, your teachers, your gossip, who's liking who or whatever the heck they talk about. And then that's, dinner, all that stuff, just come back in here, spend time with us, let's eat, do all that stuff. So hopefully that is what I would like to see. That's what we're going to have our discussion about, the week before school, your snack, your homework. You can go outside, and not necessarily go outside and play. I don't want to say that, because I don't really like her being out every single day, spend some time in the house or whatever. But if she's in a sport, and that's another thing, she's looking forward to trying out for volleyball. So hopefully that's awesome. So like I said, that being outside, that counts as like your sport. If they have a practice or something like that, that's the same thing as being outside. Just get outside and be active. So that's what I mean about being outside. So back to what I was saying. That is going to be our schedule that we're going to stick to. If you have a schedule or something that works for you, I would love to hear about it. Just curious to see what other people are doing. So ours is show, snack, homework, outside, wind down. And yeah, we got one more week and we'll be, goodness gracious, we'll be back in the swing of things again. Like, it's a bittersweet type thing. I'm excited that she's going back to school. She's excited to, see her friends and see her teachers and all that stuff. But I'll miss having her here, even though she was sleeping all day long. But that's all I have, guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.